Canon G1X Mark III review so far. The Canon PowerShot G1X Mark III is a premium compact camera aimed at those who desire DSLR quality in a smaller, fixed-lens body. Announced in October 2017. It comes 3.5 years after its predecessor, the G1X Mark II, and now represents the flagship in the PowerShot G range. This is essentially the same sensor employed in the EOS 80D and Canon's 24-megapixel mirrorless cameras, featuring Dual Pixel CMOS AF for smooth and confident focusing in stills and movies. The PowerShot G1X Mark III couples the 24-megapixel APS-C sensor with a 3x/15 to 45mm zoom lens equivalent to 24 to 72mm, with an f2.8-5.6 focal ratio, closest focusing distance of 10 cm at wide angle, 4-stop optical stabilizer, and a built-in 3-stop anti-filter. There's no 4K video nor a microphone input. But the Mark II's 1080p video, up to 60p, benefits from the confident focusing of Dual Pixel CMOS AF and the ability to tap the screen to pull focus. The AF system also supports burst shooting at 7 fps or with fixed focus at 9 fps. There's also built-in Wi-Fi accompanied by NFC and Bluetooth to ease connectivity, while the latter allows your phone to remotely power up the camera to browse and transfer images even when it's switched off. The Mark III even becomes Canon's first model to finally stitch panoramas in camera.